Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a video on Capcut. So if you want to add some background music to your video on Capcut, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, add the video that you want to edit, and then here click on audio or click on add audio at the bottom of the video, and then click on sounds. So here you can just choose the music provided by the Capcut. For example, this one. Okay, I'm going to add this one, and then you can just play it like so. You can just edit the music that to fits into your video, or you can also crop or cut the video until it fits into your music duration like so. Okay, you can also add another music. For example, you can add a music from your own device. Click on this, and then from device, and you can just choose music on your own device or on your own phone like so. When you're done, just click on the save icon. Okay, so that is how you can add music to your video in Capcut. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.